I literally just got out of the shower and the doorbell rang and there was a man with a box and the box has arrived. I'm just really excited to share with you all of this stuff in the box. So the box has kindly arrived from the luxury clothing company Jigsaw with their compliments. So I'm so excited about this because I'm going to be doing a YouTube video shoot today and I'm going to be wearing all of these Jigsaw pieces. So, oh my god, I'm so excited. So let me show you what I ordered, what's in the box, okay? So gosh, where should we start? Okay, let's start with this one. It's like Christmas. Christmas come early. Oh wow, look at this piece. This is just absolutely stunning. Zebra bag. Gorgeous. With this lovely strap. Let me undo the strap there. Show you this properly. Here we go. Really nice strap there that you can buckle in to the sort of length that you would like to. I won't do that now, but you get the idea. I will talk about why I've chosen each piece as well. Okay, so the zebra, for me, represents uniqueness, and basically it's a horse, but it stands out. It's literally my way of representing how to sort of stand out from the crowd, how to be yourself no matter what. So that's what the zebra print represents for me. And so that's gorgeous. I can team that up with basically everything to get a bit of zebra in. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. Oh, talking of the zebra theme, let me finish with the zebra theme. This, I think, is a zebra jumper, which is gorgeous. I think this is a mixed wool blend. Nice. Oh, everything is such good quality. It's so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. That is stunning. I mean, that is a proper standout piece, isn't it? Really beautiful. I'm really gonna love rocking this one. So nice. Gorgeous. I might even go full on zebra. That would be quite cool. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. Ah, okay, these are the leather barrel trousers. These are an amazing statement piece. Wow. Gorgeous. And the packaging is just so beautiful. These are actually leather, which will be super durable and really good piece for the winter and the autumn. So I'm really excited about putting those ones on. Oh, they feel really super soft as well. Gorgeous. So these are the leather, oh, they're not the barrel trousers actually. They've got two different trousers on their website. There's the leather barrel and the leather bardeau. These are the leather bardeau. Beautiful, beautiful. Can't wait to put those on. Okay, what else? Excuse me, I'm still in my dressing gown because I literally did just come out of the shower and I actually couldn't wait to get changed to open the box, so yeah. Oh, let's see what's in this little box. Talking of opening little boxes, although this is not a little box, it's a big one. What's in here? I think this would be, if I can get open it. Oh, there we go. are lovely. Yes, this is beautiful. This is a gorgeous pendant. Let me show you this one. So beautiful. So if I come around here, there we go. Beautiful, gorgeous pendant. That's going to look really, really, really lovely with everything. So nice, and that's really weighty as well. Beautiful, that is. Exciting. Okay. Gorgeous. Right, what else have we got? Okay, so this one. Ah, yes. Silk Batwing top. This says Silk Batwing top in blue, but I think this is, for me, I feel this is teal, and the reason why I went for this one is because this colour teal, I don't know, you can see it looks kind of black in this light, but it's actually a dark teal. This is the colour of my practice, the Cotswold practice, so that's beautiful. It's silk at the front and a kind of a nice sort of jersey-ish kind of cotton at the back, and it's a batwing sleeve, so yeah, that's going to look lush. Amazing. So exciting. What else? Oh, I know what this one is. I'm very, very excited about these. I've got a couple of these types of pieces, and I have to say I've never owned anything cashmere in my life before, and this piece, they actually have a thing called cloud cashmere, and honestly I wish you could feel this right now. It's probably the most softest thing I've ever felt. It's called cloud cashmere for a reason. It feels like you're going to be wearing a cloud. I mean, it's so soft. So I think this is going to be one of those pieces that you could put with so many things, because it's, you know, it's just a black jumper basically. But I'm liking the fact that it's got a lovely crew neck, so that's really going to be good for winter time. You could actually put something underneath it as well, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I just want to feel the softness against my skin, and it's not itchy at all. I mean, I can't wait to wear this one. So this is the Cloud Cashmere crew neck jumper. That is exciting. Oh wow, and then I have another Cloud Cashmere here. Let me show you this one. This one is a kind of ecru-y type of biscuit colour. But the reason why I went for this one, sorry, you probably can't hear me properly because of all of the rustling. I'll take all of that out first and then show you. Ah, gosh, this is so soft, honestly. It really, really is just divine, so divinely soft. Oh my goodness, against my cheeks. Yeah, so I would probably just wear this, you know, without anything underneath it, because it's just like, it literally is self-care in a piece of clothing. This is definitely just, oh, gorgeous. And I'm liking this one because it's got the diagonal front, obviously the V-neck. For me, a V-neck is a very, very flattering neckline, because one, it shows off my sternum tattoo, which is quite nice, and also it kind of draws the eye line down, making it appear like I've got a bit of a longer torso. I'm only 5 foot, so any little help is good. So that's gorgeous. I'm looking forward to putting that one on as well. Okay, and then we've got another zebra print going on here. These are really, really funky. So you saw the zebra jumper earlier. And these are so much fun. Literally zebra joggers. Amazing! So they've got a elasticated waistband, which is useful sometimes. And yeah, they are just literally zebra jogging bottoms. So I might give the whole zebra thing a go, see what it looks like. But obviously, to tone the zebra down, you can just mix and match. So the cloud cashmere top will look amazing with those joggers, and so will the, I think so will the silk teal batwing top, because it will give it that, the kind of material contrast that I like. I love combining different textures together because it creates some kind of interest and uniqueness to the outfit. And then one more, last of all, we have the last piece here. This is also a cloud cashmere piece. I am going to be wrapped in a beautiful jigsaw love, I think. So this is again one of those staple pieces, and I love this neutral colour. It goes really, really well with my hair, and I think also this will go really well with the zebra jogger, because it will jazz, you know, this piece up quite a lot. And imagine the zebra bag across here, so it's just kind of, oh, amazing. So I look forward to making my videos. I am off to get ready properly, and I will be making 8 mental health videos focusing on sleep, confidence, self-love, focus and concentration, motivation, life purpose, and there's 2 more, self-care, and I can't remember, there's 1 more, but there's 8 mental health videos to really to help you with whatever you're going through, and they will be featuring all my beautiful jigsaw pieces, so stay tuned. For now, see you later, alligator. Bye.